The Ferrocement Society of India recently hosted a highly successful workshop in Pune, a special one-day event dedicated to advancing the understanding and application of ferrocement technology. The workshop was inaugurated by the esteemed engineer, Mr. Rajendra Pawar, a former secretary to the Government of Maharashtra, who was joined by Mr. Ramesh Kulkarni. In his inaugural address, Mr. Pawar emphasized the critical need to standardize the technology. In his speech, he said,
Now the time has come, I suppose, to officially declare this technology as a mean for building construction of any type. So, for that, the first and foremost thing we are trying to get approved the IS code. Once the code is established, then only a proper design methods and the durability can be certified based on that. I would like to suggest, particularly to the young members who are joining late, but now it is all up to them to carry forward this mission and the position. So during such workshops, we can have some special session kind of thing or some interactive lecture to prepare the volunteers. With all this, then I can go the nationwide. We have to build many sub-centers all in India.
The main sessions took place at the Technical Training Center on Sahasrabuddhe Road, while a practical construction demonstration was held at the Four Seasons Society in Bhugaon. Engineer Chandramohan Hangekar instilled a great deal of confidence in the delegates by showcasing a wide array of ferrocement applications. He elaborated on the structural logic behind its strength, the potential for integrating artificial intelligence in its design, and the promising entrepreneurship opportunities within the sector. Mr. Hangekar also highlighted the government's support for such technologies through published construction manuals and rate schedules. Further enriching the technical discussions, Engineer Lele detailed the specific design aspects of ferrocement.
Mr. Ulhasadov then provided valuable insights into rate analysis and estimation, underscoring that ferrocement is a labor-oriented construction method where skilled workers and proper supervision are paramount for quality assurance. Precast ferrocement, in-situ walls, swimming pools with ferrocement were shown in Bhugaon site. Mr. Lele and engineer Girish guided the delegates. Various components were shown to them. Hollow beams and slabs were also shown. A group photo was also snapped. From left we can see Vijay Shitol, Patil, Chandramohan, Aniket Jadhav, Vilas Joshi, Rajendra Pawar, Pranav Darda, Deepak Kanhare, Shriram Sapat, Girish Sangal, Ramesh Kulkarni, Dr. Amar Pratap Singh, Putnab Lele, Malinkari, Vilmesh Mote, Vaishali Mohite, and Dr. Sushma Wad. The response of the delegates was very positive. Let us watch what they say.
म्हणजे नवीन काहीतरी शिकण्यासाठी भेटतं. याच्यापूर्वी आपण बंधारा बांधला आहे, पण याच्यात अजून काही नवीन काही टेक्नॉलॉजी, स्विमिंग पूल्स वगैरे असे काही नवीन माहितीही भेटली आणि आम्ही प्रात्यक्षिक सुद्धा बघितलं.
ब्यूटीफुल ट्रेनिंग में तो मतलब फंडामेंटल्स वर मेड क्लियर. व्हाट इज फेरोसीमेंट, व्हाट इज द कंपैरिजन विद आरसीसी एंड हाउ इट कैन बी अप्लाइड. और इसको तो मतलब वी हैव टू टेक इट टू द फील्ड लेवल यूजिंग सोशल प्रोजेक्ट्स.
अत्यंत उपयुक्त माहिती मिळाली, म्हणजे नुसतीच माहिती नव्हती. म्हणजे आम्हाला पुढे काम करायच्या दृष्टीने अतिशय मौलिक असं ज्ञान मिळालं. गुड, थँक्यू.
फारच छान. उल्हासाडवांनी खूप माहिती दिली. त्यांचा अनुभवी दांडगा आहे. खूप उपयुक्त माहिती आहे.
ट्रेनिंग खूप छान वाटलं. बऱ्याच गोष्टी इथे शिकायला भेटल्या आणि फेरोसिमेंटमुळं माझे जे डाऊट होते किंवा नवीन कन्सेप्ट पण मला इथे शिकायला, वेगळ्या टाईपचा स्लॅब कसा बनवला ते कळलं मला. आणि मेन की हॉलो स्लॅब इथं ॲक्च्युली रिनोव्हेट करतात सगळ्या गोष्टी, तर इकॉनॉमिकली ते कसं होतं आहे फेरोसिमेंट यूज करून.
It was very nice experience to conduct this workshop. Actually, this workshop is useful for newcomers. They can teach, they can explain what is the ferrocement and how it apply. Even though that in inaugural session, Mr. Pawar has explained the details because he has attended the Brazil conference.
बहुत अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट है और बोलते हैं जंगल में मंगल.
Mr. Lele is the in charge of this project, and all the structures are constructed in ferrocement.
आणि खूप छान झालं. फेरोसिमेंट सोसायटीकडून खूप नवीन गोष्टी कळायला गेल्या. माझ्या फील्ड रिलेटेड नव्हत्या पण मला समजण्यासारख्या गोष्टी होत्या. PPT किंवा जे काही लाईव्ह डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन दाखवलं याच्यामध्ये खूप मजा आली आणि खूप काही नवीन शिकायला मिळालं.
फील्ड विजिट बहुत अच्छा हो गया. इट्स इंटरेस्टिंग. जो भी भाले राव का जो बंगलो देखा है फुल्ली फेरोसीमेंट में है, जिसमें कॉलम्स एंड प्लेन जो भी है वो फेरो में किया गया है. तो फेरो सीमेंट इज़ द बेस्ट फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन.